Hi, this is Vamsi. Now we are going to discussing about environmental issues around us. First one, air pollution. Researching from the World Health Organization (WHO) shows that an estimated 4.227 million people died from air pollution worldwide every year, and that 9 out of 10 people breathe air that contains high levels of pollutants. In Africa, 258,000 people died as a result of outdoor air pollution in 2017, up from 164,000 is in 1990, according to UNICEF. This comes mostly from industrial sources and motor vehicles, as well as emission from burning biomass and poor air quality due to dust storms. In Europe, a recent report from the EU's Environment Agency shows that air pollution contribute to 4 lakhs annual deaths in the EU in 2012, the last year of which data was available. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, attention has been put on the role that air pollution has in transporting the virus molecules. Primarily, studies have identified a positive correlation between COVID-19 related mortalities and air pollution, and there is also a possible association of airborne particles associating the viral spread. This could have contributed to the high death toll in China, where air quality is notoriously poor, although more definitive studies must be conducted before such as conclusions can be drawn. Second one, deforestation. Every minute forests that size of 20 football fields are cut down, but the year 2030 that plants may have only 10% of these forests. If deforestation is not stopped, they could all be gone in less than 100 years. Agriculture in the leading cause of deforestation. Another one of the biggest environmental problems appearing on this list. Land is cleared to raise livestock or the plant other crops that are sold, such as sugarcane and palm oil. Besides from carbon sequestration, forests help to prevent oil erosion because these three roots bind the soil and prevent it from washing away, which also prevent landslides. The three countries experiencing the highest levels of deforestation are Brazil, the Deforestation Republic of Congo, and Indonesia. However, Indonesia is talking deforestation now, seeing the loss rates since the beginning of the century. Third one, agriculture. Studies have shown that the global food system is responsible for up to the one third of all human caused greenhouse gases emissions, of which 30% comes from livestock and fisheries. Crop productions releases greenhouse gases which as nitrous oxide through the use of fertilizers. 60% of the world's agriculture areas is dedicated to cattle ranching, although it only makes up 24% of global meat consumption. Agriculture not only covers a vast amount of land, but it also consumes a vast amount of fresh water. Another one of the biggest environmental problems on the list. While arable lands and grazing pastures covers one third of Earth's land surfaces, they consume three quarters of world's limited freshwater resources. Scientists and environmentalists have continuously warned that we need to rethink our current food system. Switching to a more plant-based diet would democratically democratically reduce the carbon footprint of the conventional agriculture industry. Fourth one is plastic pollution. In 1950, the world produced more than 2 million tons of plastic per year. By 2015, this annual production swelled to 419 million tons. A report by Science Journal Nature determined that currently roughly 11 million tons of plastic make its way into the ocean every year, harming wildlife habitats and the animals that live in them. The research food the research found that in one's Asian intake, can this will grow to 29 million metric tons per year by 2040. If we include microplastics into this, the cumulative amount of plastic in the ocean could reach 600 million tons by 2040. Shockingly, National Geographical found that 91% of all plastic that has ever been made in not recycled, representing not only one of the biggest environmental problems of our lifetime but another massive market failures. Considering that plastic takes 400 years to decompose, it will be many generations until it ceases to exist. Fifth one, biodiversity loss. The past 50 years have seen a rapid growth of human consumption, pollution, global trade, and urbanization, resulting in humanity using more of the Earth's resources that it can replenish naturally. A recent WWF report found that the population sizes of mammals, fishes, birds, reptiles, and amphibians have expired as declined of an average of 68% between 1970 and 2016, and report attribute this biodiversity loss to a variety of factors, but mainly land usage, partially that conversion of habitats like forests, grasslands, and mangroves into agricultural system. Animals such as pangolins, sharks, and animals such as pangolins, sharks, and seahorses are significantly affected by the illegal wildlife trade, and pangolins are critically endangered because of it. More broadly, a recent analysis has found that the sixth mass extinction of wildlife of Earth is accelerating. More than 500 species of land animals are on the brink of extinction and are likely to be lost within 20 years. The same under were lost over the whole of the last century. The scientist says that without the human destruction of nature, this rate of loss would have taken thousands of years. Thank you.